Flat phones are dead. Welcome to the era where screens bend, fold, and flex without compromise. This is the Vivo X Fold5, and it's not just a phone, it's a futuristic flagship designed to snap the rules of smartphone design in half literally. Let's dive in. At just 4.3 millimeters when unfolded, the Vivo X Fold5 is thinner than most tablets, and when folded, a sleek 9.3 millimeters. It's light to only 219 grams. But don't let the weight fool you, this thing is built solid, with IP58 rated. Dust and water resistance. It can handle spills, splashes, and pressure jets, yeah. Seriously, now, unfold this beast and your eyes are greeted by an 8.03-inch LTPO AMOLED display. The resolution? A crisp 2200 by 2480. You get 1 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, and support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. And that peak brightness, a blinding 4500 nits. Even your brightest summer day can't dim this monster, but even the cover display is a lead 6.53 inches of AMOLED brilliance. With HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 120 Hz smoothness, and an unbelievable 5500 nits peak brightness. Scrolling Instagram or watching TikTok on the front display feels like using a flagship of its own under the hood. This thing packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Qualcomm's most powerful chip yet, paired with up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. That means instant app launches, console-level gaming, and multitasking that actually feels like multitasking. Now let's talk cameras, because Vivo's going all in. You've got a triple 50-megapixel setup. The main sensor is a 1.56 wide lens with OIS and laser autofocus. Then there's a 50MP 3x telephoto lens and a 50MP ultrawide. You're shooting at 8K, 4K, or whatever cinematic standard you want. This camera does it all. It's got ZEISS optics, ZEISS lens coating, and dual LED flash for that clean, pro finish. It's not a phone camera, it's a compact cinema rig. Selfie fans, don't worry, there's a 32MP camera on the inside and another on the cover. Both shoot 1080p, both HD are ready, both crisp and social media perfect. Let's talk battery, because foldables are known to compromise. But not here. The X Fold5 comes with a huge 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery and charging 90 West wired and 30W wireless reverse charging. Of course, you'll be juicing your earbuds straight from the phone. Want to hear the music? Dual stereo speakers with 24-bit high-res audio and Snapdragon sound support. Pump out detailed, full-spectrum audio. No headphone jack, but the wireless game is top tier. Connectivity is stacked Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS with full global coverage, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that's lightning fast. All of this runs on Android 15 with Origin 5, meaning smooth animations, smart multitasking, and AI enhancements that make your device feel truly next-gen. Flat screens? That's 2020. Foldables like the Vivo X Fold5 are the now, and they're only getting better. And if you're still watching, you already know you're a real one. Hit subscribe, drop your thoughts in the comments. Fold or flat? Where do you stand?